Good morning to us. So last video lecture series we discussed about the 3D printer and how it works, what are the materials we are used, and what are the types of products we manufacturing in this printer and applications, all the things we discussed. So we are using 3D printer, some of warms that means the case that is here wire using in the 3D. So I listed some case studies you will follow, but first read the first case.
3D printing in aerospace, GE aviation failed on this challenge.
Loudly now.
GE aviation needed a lightweight, durable fuel nozzle for its lean jetting. Traditional manufacturing method requires assembling 20 individual parts, which increase the cost, production time, and potential weak points. Solution: GE used 3D printing additive manufacturing to design a simple integrated nozzle, which allowed for more complex geometrics while reducing weight by 25% and increasing strength. Outcome: the 3D print fuel nozzle is 5 times more durable and significantly lighter. GE was able to manufacture over 30,000 nozzles annually and now uses 3D printing for various critical parts.
So we are seeing the normal manufacturing of nozzles. You do 3D. Okay, so 3D printer is comfortable and cost wise economical and manufacturing time is lesser comparatively other manufacturing. Next one.
3D printer topics for robotics and not impossible labs. So challenge in what so that many users lost limbs but had no access to affordable prosthetics. So traditional prosthetics were expensive and inaccessible for most people in remote areas. Solution: not impossible labs launched Project Daniel, creating a low-cost 3D printed prosthetic limbs for amputees in the region. They trained workers to operate 3D printers and produce customized prosthetics on site. Outcome: the cost of a 3D printed prosthetic was reduced to around $100 and production time was cut to fast. So over 50 people received prosthetic limbs, drastically improving their quality of life, and the program continues to expand.
So in this explains the cost of the product and the durability comparatively other type of manufacturing is better. Next one.
3D printing for houses, ICONs, affordable challenges millions of people worldwide living in inadequate conditions. 3D printing for houses, ICONs, affordable challenges millions of people worldwide living in inadequate housing. The challenge was designed to sustainable, scalable solution to most quickly and affordably in undeserved areas. Solutions. ICONs are construction technology company developed a 3D printer capable for printing homes in just 24 hours. Using a concrete-based material, IC1 printing small sustainable for low-income families in Latin America. Outcome: IC1 successfully built 3D printed homes that cost less than for $4,000 each. These homes were durable, weather-resistant, and built in areas facing house storage shortages, including living conditions in developing countries.
So in household items, most of the items nowadays we are not using that. So it is really actually would be very good. And those people likely for using the ground works, they are using the field.
We at medical, legal modern surgical plan. Challenge is complex. Surgeries often require deep understanding of our traditional emergency techniques like rescue are not always sufficient for delicate surgical planning solution. The mighty adapt to 3D printing to create patient-specific affordable, CD and the MRI scans. Surgeons use these models to visualize and plan complex procedures. Such a versus other reconstructive surgeons.
Okay. So the medical equipments they are manufacturing in the 3D printers for a wide to Both the things that was visually language. To HCI, resistant. So the medical equipment may be very like
Really Adidas custom folding printers sneakers. Samples. Adidas shows to revolutionize the sneakers industry by offering custom fit footwear that provide greater performance and comfort in individual environments. Solutions. Adidas partners with Collab to create a clinic leather structures which is enabled to mass product to for customized mindsops. The 40 makers shoes are designed to apply to their best dynamics outcomes. Adidas launched future brand for these sneakers, offering enhanced performance and comfort with data and drive design. The innovation allows Adidas to personalize product for customers and set a new standard for footwear manufacturing.
so footwear manufacturing also nowadays using a ladies vehicles. So these are not some case studies. Case study means what? We have one problem. How it is solved? What is called a case? So these white problems they solve with 3D printers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.